Ka courtyard by Marriott kalapanlong ya ka jingple patba ya ka Miss Grand India Meghalaya ha ka khatsau tarik jamang ha ka jingalang ka ba isyong kun. Kani ka program ka ba ka thongjong ka kalong ban pen I ya ka jing bhabriew bat ka talent jeng kilong kme ka jilla bat ban karen ru ya ka jing e ki kinthei ha ka imlang salang kum ka jing pen sngotu ya ka jing pang cancer bat ban pen kop bor ru ya ki samla kinthei. Ha kani ka sngi layodan lang ki arngot ki thei bhabriew ka Sophia Singh ka balong ka Miss Asia Pacific India 2024 bat ka Arshina Sumbul Miss Grand International India 2023. Ka Wanda Nongbri kalayathu syapang ka jinga ko bat penpau bakani ka rynsan kadai ban ailat ya ki samla ban penpau ya ka talent ka jongki. Layathu baka audition kan long ha ubnai naiwing jong uni usnem bat ka final hashwa uno opera.
To make this journey worthwhile and ensure that your faith in me as the state director is justified. Let's create a pageant that embodies the spirit of Meghalaya and empower our young women to shine bright. I'm also immensely thankful to Mr. Amjad, Ms. Sophia Singh and Arshina Sumbul for gracing us with their presence at this conference. Your participation adds immense value to our event and I'm grateful for your support. Thank you all once again for being here and for your unwavering support. Let's embark on this journey together and make it a memorable and impactful one. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
My name is Arshina Sumbul and I'm the current Miss Grand India 2023. So being associated with Miss Grand Meghalaya now is an honor for all of us. This is my first time in Shillong, and as Sophia said that we are loving the city. And when we talk about loving something, it's not just about the beauty of it or just the weather. The people here are so nice, they are so hospitable. Vanda, you are so nice to us, and we are so glad to be a part of today's event, Miss Grand Meghalaya 2024. So coming to the pageant, which is the Miss Grand International pageant, I can assure you it is one of the most amazing pageants in the world. The production, everything about it, it's just so fun. You can be yourself. It's not just about being pageant girl, it's more about being yourself. Be comfortable in your own skin. And I can assure that whoever comes to audition for Miss Grand Meghalaya or Miss Grand India is going to have a great time. So I just wish you guys all the best for your pageant, and I wish the girls who are getting selected from this region, I'm super excited to meet you guys. As we already have two contestants ready for this year's competition, I'm looking forward to meet them, to have a one-on-one chat with them. I've seen their videos and they are really amazing so far. So all the best to all the girls who are going to participate this year. Thanks so much for having us again. Thank you guys.
With Asia Pacific India 2024, I'm extremely honored to sitting over here at this beautiful city, Shillong, and I'm loving it. I love the people, the weather, and everything over here. This is going to be my favorite city from the Northeast. I'm just going to tell you this. Also, Miss Grand, the title which we are presenting over here from the Grand Road. Miss Grand was the first pageant which I have been associated with, and I was from as Miss Tourism. Also, the whole team has another really nice to me. They have recruited my title as Miss Asia Pacific. As you can say that Navanan Group is one of the best companies which you can associate yourself for the pageantries. We have lots of international and national pageants over here. Miss Grand, Miss Universe, and international pageants such as Asia Pacific, of course, Miss Grand, Miss Universe, Miss Charm, and so on. So I would like to say that may the best girl